Vicky Violet makes the sound V, and her vases are very pointy. In Letterland, it can get quite windy, and the winds blow in the reading direction. So, when Vicky Violet is at the end of words, she can be quite vulnerable. So, she puts a silent special E-prop to stop her from falling over, and together they make the sound V. They can be found in many words, such as olives, give, love, 12, and also in the word detective. Come to Cheerful Kids to find out more about our Letterland friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.